Every breath you take, a simple automatic act that keeps you alive. But have you ever wondered about the incredible highway inside your body that makes it possible? This isn't just a passive pipe. It's a dynamic, self-cleaning and brilliantly designed structure called the trachea, or your windpipe. Today, we're going on a journey deep inside your chest to explore the amazing anatomy of your trachea, understand how it keeps itself clean, what happens when things go wrong, and most importantly, how you can keep it healthy for a lifetime of easy breathing. Let's dive in. First, let's look at what the trachea is made of. It's a masterpiece of biological engineering. Location and size. It's a tube, about 4-5 inches long, running from your voice box or larynx in your neck, down into your chest cavity. Right behind your breastbone, it divides into two smaller tubes, the left and right bronchi, which lead to your lungs. This division point is called the carina, the C-ring secret. The trachea isn't soft like a straw. Its walls are reinforced with 16 to 20 rings of tough but flexible hyaline cartilage. And here's the clever part. These rings are C-shaped. The solid part of the C faces the front, providing strong support to prevent the airway from collapsing every time you inhale. The flexible back. The open part of the C faces your back, towards your esophagus, your food pipe. This gap is bridged by soft muscle. Why? So when you swallow a large bite of food, your esophagus can expand forward without hitting a rigid ring. One pathway for air, one for food, perfectly designed to coexist. This is where the trachea gets really smart. Its inner lining, the mucosa, is an active defense system. The mucociliary escalator. Imagine a continuous conveyor belt moving upwards. That's exactly what's happening inside your trachea right now. Trapping. Special goblet cells produce a sticky mucus. This mucus traps dust, bacteria, viruses, and pollution particles you inhale. Removal. Thousands of tiny hair-like structures called cilia beat in a coordinated wave-like motion, constantly sweeping that mucus upward, away from your delicate lungs. Disposal. This mucus, with all its trapped debris, is moved to your throat where you unconsciously swallow it. Your stomach acid then neutralizes any harmful pathogens. It's your body's own non-stop cleaning service. Other key jobs. The trachea also warms and humidifies the air you breathe to match your body temperature. And its sensitive lining triggers the cough reflex, a vital emergency response to expel anything that shouldn't be there. Understanding how the trachea works helps us understand what can go wrong. Tracheitis. Inflammation of the trachea, often due to a bacterial or viral infection, causing a painful barking cough. Airway obstruction. This is a medical emergency. It can be caused by choking on food, a tumor, or severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, which can cause the airway to swell shut. The effect of smoking. This is critical. The toxins in cigarette smoke paralyze and eventually destroy the cilia. Without the mucociliary escalator, toxins and mucus build up, leading to the chronic smoker's cough as the body struggles to clear the airways manually. This drastically increases the risk of infections like bronchitis. Bronchoscopy. A doctor uses a thin, lighted camera tube passed through the trachea to look inside the airways and lungs for diagnosis. Tracheostomy. A surgical opening made in the front of the neck directly into the trachea to bypass an obstruction higher up, allowing a patient to breathe. Which doctor to see? If you have persistent breathing issues, a chronic cough, or suspect a tracheal problem, you should first consult a pulmonologist, a lung specialist. For serious surgical interventions, you would see a thoracic surgeon. Now for the good news. You can actively support the health of your trachea and lungs every day. Best foods for lung health. Focus on anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, rich in chlorophyll and antioxidants. Berries and apples, packed with flavonoids and vitamin C, which combat oxidative stress. Turmeric and ginger, powerful anti-inflammatories that can help reduce airway irritation. Fatty fish, salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation. Pumpkin and bell peppers, excellent sources of carotenoids and vitamin A, crucial for maintaining the health of your respiratory mucosa. Beneficial breathing exercises. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. Lie on your back, place a hand on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Breathe out slowly through pursed lips, feeling your belly fall. This strengthens the diaphragm and promotes efficient breathing. Pursed lip breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 2 counts. Pucker your lips as if to whistle and exhale slowly and evenly for 4 counts. This helps keep the airways open longer, reducing the work of breathing. Simple deep breathing. Sit upright and take slow deep breaths in and out. This helps fully expand the lungs and clear the airways. So there you have it. Your trachea is far from a simple tube. It's a reinforced, self-cleaning and vital conduit that works tirelessly with every breath you take. By understanding it, avoiding toxins like smoke, eating well, and practicing good breathing, you can ensure it serves you well for years to come. If you found this deep dive into your body fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe for more content that unravels the mysteries of human biology. What organ should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to take a deep, grateful breath. See you in the next video.